Hey guys, it's Thomas here from 5-Star Courses, and today I'm just going to be presenting you with a quick video of how to submit your work to the platform, just in case you're stuck on how to do so. So I'm going to share my screen here, and you can simply just follow along with the steps that I'm doing. So you should be able to see the course now. I've just shared my screen. So today we'll just choose a random example. We are currently on the level 5 diploma in education and training. However, the process is the exact same for every single course, so you don't need to worry about what course we're on. So I'll just pick a random assignment, for example. We'll just take this one here. Now, to submit a piece of work, you simply press Add Submission, which you can find at the bottom of each assignment. Once you click this button, you are presented with a box that says you can drag and drop files here to add them. Now, we always get this issue a lot where users are trying to use our file submission picker pretty much. This won't work, unfortunately. You will be presented with an infinite loading icon. The only way to submit work and the best way to submit work is via picking your file from your file explorer, such as here. You click on the file and you can drag and drop it into the box as such. Once you drag and drop it into the box, you simply press Save Changes. If you've got more than one file, do make sure you put them all in the box at the same time. Now, as you can see, it says draft here, not submitted, because I've only attached the file, but I haven't actually submitted the assignment yet. Now, what you need to do after this is you need to press Submit Assignment. If you wish to make any changes, you can press Edit Submission if you do want to add more files before submitting the assignment, or you can remove the submission if you're not happy with it. But you can then submit the assignment. You should be presented with this message here, but saying this submission is my own work, except where I have acknowledged the use of works of other people. Are you sure you want to submit your work for grading? You'll not be able to make any more changes. Now you simply tick the box and press continue. And a piece of work will be submitted. As you can see here, it does say submitted for grading. So it does usually take around 3 to 5 working days for our tutors to mark a piece of work. However, this time can fluctuate. Sometimes it's a tad shorter, sometimes it's a tad longer as well. So do consider that in mind. But that's basically how you submit work. If you do have any questions, feel free to ask us via our ticket system, email, or you can even give us a ring as well. Thank you very much, guys.